We often imagine space as a silent void, a vast emptiness where no sound can travel. But what if our solar system is actually humming with an unheard symphony? Planets don't produce sound waves like on Earth because sound needs a medium. Yet these celestial bodies emit powerful electromagnetic vibrations, radio waves, and plasma waves. Scientists capture these invisible signals and convert them into audible frequencies. It's like translating the universe's secret language into something our ears can comprehend. From Jupiter's eerie, whistling chorus to Saturn's crackling static, each world has a unique sonic signature. These aren't just strange noises, they're data. They tell us about magnetic fields, atmospheric activity, and the very essence of these distant giants. Listen closely, and the cosmos will speak.